Hey everyone, it's Desiree, and I am here with Paper Rose, and today we are going to pull out those colored pencils and have some fun with this adorable small image called Floral Frame No.4. That piece measures, it's like a 2 by 3 inch image, which I think is perfect if you're just starting out with any coloring medium, such as watercolors, colored pencils, alcohol markers. It's just a nice small image. It's not too overwhelming for you to have lots of practice. Did not show this. I forgot to show the stamping. I did stamp the image in a Positively ink called Cozy, just to have that light shade for the image. And then I did use my Altenew Obsidian ink to stamp my sentiment. This panel is cut to 3 3/4 by 5. So it's a little bit smaller. No, 3.5 by 4 3/4, so I apologize. And now I'm just going to simply color the image. I'm going to use some warm grays for the frame itself, and then some vibrant pinks and greens for the floral. So sit back, enjoy, and I'll see you on the other side. Now that our image is all covered, we are going to put this on a couple mats. I chose a dark pink and a green that match the colors that I used, and then finally a black to mat this piece. I'm going to add a few gems to the center of the one flower, and then 2 sets of 3 coming off of each corner of that frame. Of course, I do this before I put it on my mats, so that's always fun. I am using my wax pencil. I get asked a lot about that. I love using the wax pencil. Found mine on Amazon. They're actually used in the nail industry, and they're all over. So all you have to do is just do that search. Once I have the gems placed, we will then start creating our mats. Now, 2 of the mats are going to be very close, coming off of that panel. So when they're cut, I'm cutting them to be like 1/8 of an inch off of the size of the cardstock. Now, again, I also am one where I take my panel and I'll line it up with the cardstock and cut around it. And that's, I'll say, unfortunately, what I did. When it came to these panels, I just don't like to measure and pull that out, and it just, I save time this way. So I do know that this panel here is 3.5 by 5, and then the final black panel is 4 by 5.25. And there is our card. Very clean, very simple, but these would be great. There's a whole set of these that would make great note card sets if you're looking for the upcoming holidays a gift. The products that I used will be listed down below in the video description. I hope you enjoyed today's project. As always, remember, enjoy the art that you create. And if you have any questions, leave those down below. I'd love for you to subscribe, hit that thumbs up, most of all, ring the bell. Hopefully you'll be notified. You never know. But have fun in your crafty space today, no matter where you are. And remember what's most important. Always be creative, guys. And I will talk to you in the next one. Till then.